Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
AP in Valorant accumulates from three main sources: regular matches, daily and weekly missions, and event or battle pass challenges. Complete one full match to gain baseline AP and secure the one first win of the day bonus for a larger AP grant. Daily mission sets typically include 3 tasks that refresh every 24 hours and stack with weekly contracts. Event challenges and the Battle Pass often offer the biggest AP gains per hour played, so target those during limited-time events to maximize AP efficiency. To maximize AP per match, always finish full rounds and avoid leaving early because deserter penalties reduce AP. Focus on objective contributions. Planting the spike, defusing, and completing round-winning plays tend to net more AP than a single kill. Win more rounds by communicating, using economy rounds strategically, and prioritizing survival to the end of half or match. Queuing with a consistent party improves coordination and increases your chances of winning, which in turn raises AP earned across the full match. Build a daily AP routine. First complete the 3 daily missions, then progress weekly contracts that offer steady AP payouts. Log in and claim the first win of the day bonus before playing other matches. That bonus is the quickest guaranteed AP increase for the day. When events or battle pass challenges are active, prioritize those tasks because they yield higher AP per hour. Plan to play 3 to 5 focused matches that target objectives and wins rather than only chasing kills. And group with friends to improve match completion and AP returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.